Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. How is lockdown treating you? I hope you're all doing great. So I'm just going to share with you this project that I did. It's of this crop top wrap blouse. So you guys know that I don't usually use patterns for my sewing. I usually just use clothes that I already have, and I just took this shirt that I have, just try to pick a shirt that fits you well. Then I tucked in the collar and the sleeve, and then I just pinned it because that is all I needed. But if you have a sleeveless shirt, you can always use that, but I don't own one at the moment, so I just had to go with the shirt. So the first piece that I cut was the back piece, then I just laid out my fabric and then I placed my shirt. So you notice that I fold my shirt in half, and this is where the crop top is going to end. I did fit my shirt and marked my navel. Then I just went on to just cut out the shape, and I left a little bit of seam allowance. And I just folded it in half just to make sure that all the sides were equal. And then I now went on to cut the two front pieces, and I just folded the shirt diagonally like that, and then I cut the first piece, which was basically the right side of the wrap blouse. And to get straight lines, I just used my ruler, and then I just went on to cut with my scissors. Then I now use the right side to cut the left side, and try to make sure that you don't cut two left sides or two right sides. And the best way to do this is to make sure that when you cut, the right sides are facing each other. And then I just cut the other piece. So there is the right side and the left side of my blouse. So for the back, I went on and then I folded it in half, and then I marked about 2 inches in the middle. Then I also marked the point where the shoulders ended, and then I just used my curved ruler to cut that away. Then I now cut my lining pieces. After that, I now went ahead and then I sewed those parts. Then after sewing, I turned them inside out. So after that, I now took the back piece and then I laid out the two front pieces just like that, and then I pinned on those edges. Then I went ahead and I sewed on those parts that I pinned. So this is the fabric strip at the bottom that I'm going to use to basically just tie the top at the bottom, and then I folded both edges inside and then I folded it again in half, and then I attached it to the bottom using pins, which I went on to sew on the sewing machine. Now for the sleeves, I had these two little fabric which I just went on to the edges, and then I used a curved ruler to cut out that shape. And then I folded 2 times on the edge, and then I ironed just to prepare for hemming. So there are all my 4 pieces of the sleeves done. Then I went on to hem the parts which I had ironed. Then I adjusted my sewing machine to tension 1. Then I went on to the other edge, and then I just did this stitch just to prepare for gathering. So knowing what I know now, I should have just combined the two and then just stitched once, but anyway, I learned from that. Then I now went on to gather the sleeves, and I gathered to a length of about half of the entire sleeve. Then I attached the sleeve to the blouse with pins, which I now went on to sew. So there's basically the wrap top done, and at the bottom I just tie it. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I really hope that you were inspired to make something for yourself during this lockdown period. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.